Galaxy G Fold is the next big thing from Samsung and even in the tech world, and I've got a good news about it. Although if you're up for Z Fold 7, it is on a discount which you can avail from a prior listed in this video. Galaxy G Fold is one of the most awaited devices of 2025 since Huawei only launched the tri-foldable phone yet, and Samsung is trying to go with the Galaxy G Fold or Z Tri-Fold, whatever they call. Now initially, there were some confirmed sources who claims Samsung will launch this device in two countries, China and South Korea, which makes sense since Samsung launched limited edition phones or first generation in selected markets. But now a recent report is telling a different story. According to CNN, Samsung is thinking of launching Galaxy G Fold in US. That is a big breakthrough for the tech world since G Fold will be the first tri-foldable phone to launch in US and there is no competition for it. Now if we consider this news to be true, the sources suggest Samsung will be making 50,000 units for G Fold. If the production size is this small and they are launching in 3 countries if we include US, I don't think we are looking at good sales numbers. Even Samsung knows the reasons behind it and still thinking about launching this device as the launch date is almost confirmed. Samsung will launch this device in a separate event and the expected date will be in November, confirmed from South Korean media. The reason I think Samsung is thinking a less production number because of the price and adaptability. Since it's a 10 inches tablet, will have a weight and there is a small and a niche market for this product. The pricing could be one of the deciding factor for such type of product. Costing your device at $3,000 or $3,500 is no joke for a smartphone. We all know it will drop its price, but launch price will be around these numbers. Now, let's see the first ever look of a Galaxy G Fold. There is already a tri-foldable phone in the market from Huawei, but there is one big downside of this phone. There is an exposed area for the inner display, which is so sensitive and will compromise the durability of the tri-foldable phone. There are some prototypes showed by Samsung, but this time we got the actual look of it, found in the One UI 8 code, and it is amazing. This is a video, and the Galaxy G Fold will be folded from left to right. This is the 10 inches foldable phone, and the first you fold the left side of the phone and then those two folded parts will be folded again on top of the third one. This way, the inner display of the G Fold, or what Samsung called this tri-foldable phone, will be more durable than other tri-foldable phone. There is no exposed area around the side of the phone if you fold this device. Just one downside, by adding an extra cover display, it will going to increase the thickness of the G Fold. Yes, the thickness will be more on G Fold, but there is a big issue solved on durability. Also keep in mind, when the phone is folded, the cover display is much more durable than the inner display. I believe this is a better way of protecting the display and even give us the 10 inches foldable phone. On this note, if you're still here, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Until then, peace out.